While our chicken is marinating, we're going to go ahead and start in on our rice. So I'm going to turn our front burner up to about 8, and also our back burner up to about 8. I'm going to come over and measure out 1 cup of water. And the reason why I'm measuring out 1 cup of water is that we're going to be making 1/2 cup of rice. So you want to have a 2-to-1 liquid to rice ratio. We'll open up our vegetable cube and we'll drop that in the water. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of oil, as well as a tablespoon of butter to our large pan. And then we're going to take the top of our red onion. We'll cut that off, and then we'll cut a ring. And we're going to cut this ring in half, and then we can very easily peel off the top layer of onion. And then we're going to take our ring and dice it into small pieces.